Check F, econ class, are you with us? Sykes is assigning us a lot of homework. We won't start till it's dark outside. Check F, econ class, no, the principles start with how we hold things straight up. Then we can discuss how there's two parts. Think marginally, ayo, ayo, here's how we... It's econ time. Think of incentives, they'll help you a lot to make the right choices. Trade makes us better off, even with our enemies. It's econ time, forever we'll know the principles. Check F, econ class, we're sick of waiting, wishing that the recession will end. All we need is for the gov to spend. Check F, econ class, here's the problem. 3, 2, 1, inflation is here now. Gov, stop printing, prices are way too high. Think marginally, ayo, ayo, here's how we do. It's econ time. Think of the markets, they'll help organize the econ activity. Look at the standard of living around the world. It's econ time, forever we'll know the principle. Look at the equation, look at the equation. Way up high, it's a trade-off in a short run with unemployment. It's econ time. Let's get down to work. The fundamentals will set us on track. Don't say we've started to slack. We work really hard. It's econ time, forever we'll know. It's econ time. Let's get down to work. The fundamentals will set us on track. We study hard, don't say we started to slack. It's econ time, forever we'll know the principles.
Created using Powtoon.